And now we're going to make the installation drawing detail sheet. So I'm going to create a new drawing and I'm going to save it as my LID01. I'm going to need all my layers. Well, actually, I probably won't, but I'm going to put them in anyway. But now I need a sheet, and you'll have a copy of this that you can look at later on. So let me go to my landscape exemplar, and it's going to need to be B size. And I'll remove my old A size sheets. And I'm going to need to cut this into 3 pieces. I've got 3 details that I want to do. So let me do on my def points layer. I'm going to draw a line. Now this is a cool one you may not have seen me do. Right click midway between 2 points. And then I can come down. So that's going to be one area. Then I'll go from the midpoint straight over. So I'm going to have my big drawing over here and 2 smaller drawings there. I'm going to put 3 viewports on this one drawing. So in my model, I need to have something to show. So let me go get my Watts valves, and this is copy to the clipboard. Highlight, right click, clipboard, copy. Go back to your lid drawing, clipboard, paste. There it is. I'll do the same thing with the other valve. Okay, so that's going to be highlight, right click, clipboard copy, and back over to here. Sorry, wrong one. Clipboard paste. And I'll space them apart a little ways. And yours will be more complete than this one. Copy to the clipboard and paste. Now those are all in here. Let me put that big one in here first. I'm going to go to my, ooh, did I put all those in on the def points layer? No, they're all on their own layers. Woo! Got to be careful sometimes when you're copying and pasting stuff. So here's my def points layer. I'm going to put my large one in here. And I'll activate my viewport. And I know this was going to be pretty close to 1-to-1. And it fits nicely. Let me make another viewport. Oh, I didn't lock it. Always remember to lock that thing. Okay, so here's another viewport. That one was 1-to-1. This one is probably 2-to-1. And our last one, I'm just putting in 3 viewports on one sheet. And that, what was that one? 4-to-1? I think so. So I had to kind of pre-plan those a little bit. So I've got 3 of them on there. There are a few little things left to do. I'm going to do that TP thing again. Tool palette. This time I'm going to put in a drawing title. I'm going to make sure I'm on the correct layer. If I put it on the def points layer, I won't read it. I'll put it on my text layer. I'm on this thing called Annotation. There's tons of things. And some people use these tool palettes rather than ribbons. But I'm going to go to my drawing title. Bring it right in here. Some people put them down in the corners. And some people put them in the middle. I'll let you decide how you want to do it. And you can take a lot of care if you want to draw some construction lines. But things really line up. Like I did close by eye, but not really. Now I know they're really lined up, and it is important to line things up. And you can even do a copy once you've got one in there. You can copy them. Now, how do I get those to change? There's a few ways, but the easiest is just hover over it, double click, and I can do my scale, my name, or my view number. So this will be my view number 1. I think that's okay. What is this one? It's control valve installation. And what was its scale? It was 1 to, actually, this one is none. I just traced something. I can extend the little line so that it goes out to the end. Just looks better. What was this one? Watts 009. This scale was 1, 4. And this one is a Watts 777. And I should say 1 inch. And that was a 1 equals 2. So this one needs to extend. Few little things to do to get this just right. That's one method that you can use to put multiple drawings on one sheet. Lots of other methods. We'll go over those in Design 302, 310, 330, 340, 350, 360, 325, 328. You have plenty of opportunities to learn more. And of course, you can learn on the job from your colleagues. There we go. That's your landscape detail drawing.